Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Live on YouTube, which is our home, plus TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, multiple websites. We are all over the place. And we are in for another explosive day. Let's go straight into my position, straight into my shares, and share with you on the screen. Look, 47,000. We had record-breaking days on Thursday. Record-breaking day on Friday to follow up Thursday, and here we are. Here is our position right now. The big news of the day. We're going to go straight to it without further ado. Once you've hit subscribe and ring the bell and thumbs up the video. Here is the breaking news this morning. The breaking news is ETORO. ETORO popped up 8% this morning. It's fallen back to 6.22, but there we go. We know with the Democrats now gaining such ground that this is imminent for the bill to be passed on ETORO brands. This will absolutely explode. I expect it to go to $40 a share. I'm not buying it on the way up. I'm already up 28%. I was up 30% a few moments ago. All right, most important is our members. Let's have a quick chat. We've got Bill here. Lots of pain again. He keeps falling. What's going on, Bill? How come you keep falling? What's going on? Talk to me, Bill. Church of Logic says, sorry to hear that. Democrats in power are bad for stocks. Well, I can only say I'm up 25%. I don't know. I'm an Englishman. I got no political bone in my body. I'm not interested in that. I don't know how that reflects. All I know is I'm up. Hi, Mike, Bill, Church, John, Tom, Mark, Stephen. Welcome. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Welcome everybody on TikTok. We've got a great crowd again today. Huge crowds now. I've now got is it 28,000 followers now? On TikTok? No, 29. It's just going up like 1,000 a day. It's quite incredible. Quite surprised. It's amazing out. Yeah, 29,600. Yes. Thank you very much. It's gaining a few hundred every few hours. It's quite amazing. Anyway, welcome to all of you on TikTok. Okay. If you want all your questions answered, if you want me to review a stock, make a video on it to promote it, let the world know about it, or answer all your questions directly, or you want to call in, and you want to be in our free cash prize draw, join me on YouTube. I can put like Stephen Lewandowski, your name will come on the screen. I can answer your questions directly and talk directly to you. If you'd like that, it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. The same name as his channel. Please, everybody beware. I have hundreds again of scammers. People copying my name. They go Martyn Lucas Investor, add an S or a T or a dot. They use the same logo. They're not me. I never message you, never sell you anything. They never go live. They may have the same amount of followers as me because they do follow for follow. And for some reason, people follow for follow. I don't know why. There's no point in doing that at all. Real life engagement is everything. So be very, very wary. As I'm a financial channel and as I'm growing and as I'm successful on TikTok, people pretend to be me to try to scam you. Please, 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 I never message you. I never sell you anything. In fact, I do the very opposite. I answer your questions and I give you free cash prizes all the time because I like to help people. Back to YouTube. Join me, links in the profile, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. All right, okay, let's bring in. Hi, Dexter Sickles. Hi, Stephen, Bill, Mike, how are you? Bill is keeping Twitch going. Thank you so much indeed. Cash prize draw for all our Twitchers. Right, I'm going to get straight into it this morning because we've got some breaking news already. Unbelievable this morning, and we want to capitalize on this. We've got ETORO brands up again today, hit 8% up just a few moments ago. The bill is bound to get passed. So let me go over to this screen here and share this information because this is very, very important. There we go. And I'll bring that into there. ETORO brands looking absolutely fantastic. We no doubt about that. This is going to do well. Let's just get that lined up on the screen a bit better. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right. Okay, so we'll put this out as a video and we'll discuss it now, why this is important. Why high-risk stocks are important to be part of your portfolio. So 5 mins TLRY. Never made a video so quick, but I've never had that happen so quickly. So there we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray Brands this morning was up 8%, and it's just dropped back very slightly. Now, why is this up? The only reason that I can deduce is with the Democrats now gaining ground, this was always promised to pass as a bill, and it's bound to happen. It's already obviously it's already openly available in Canada, parts of Europe now, Germany on board, the US are next. Tilray Brands, this is my favorite cannabis stock. I think it's going to do very, very well indeed. It's up 6.46%. Let me share with you my actual position so you can see my position in this. But before I do, please smash the like button. And if you are new to my channel, go and subscribe as well and ring the bell. Ring the bell, set notifications to all as I bring breaking news throughout the day. So Tilray Brands, my position, I have 1,096 shares. That's all I need to own for my portfolio. That gives me a nice balance. Remember, balance is so important. People say, well, why don't you buy something you really love, more of it? You have to have a balance of and diverse portfolio. I'm seeing Bitcoin now becoming attractive once again with what has happened. All the news around Bitcoin, and yet it seems to be finding a bottom. The long-term sellers are holding. The retail investors are all out. So we're hitting another level. I still think it's going to go down a lot lower, but I keep buying on the way down. But you still need to understand that other stocks might make you more money. So just because you like something, that doesn't mean you buy all of it and nothing else. Tilray Brands for me is very, very important. It's 5%, 4.96 of my portfolio, and I'm up 29%. I do expect this to be a $40 stock, and at $40, I will at 20, 30, I will start trimming off and giving myself a massive cushion, basically removing my my initial capital, so I've got my money out. I'm now playing with the house's money, if you want to use a gambling term, and I'll be up comfortable without any stress. And if you've got no stress and you're happy and you're relaxed, you always make the right informed decisions. Tilray Brands, what do you think? Is it part of your portfolio? Join us on a live show. We're live right now making this video. If anybody commented and gave me a super chat or subscribe to me live right now, their name would appear on the screen. So there's a little incentive for you if you want to be on a video. Click up here and that will take you to all my live videos, my live broadcast when I go live every day. Anyway, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail. There we go for Tilray Brands. Okay, there we go. That will go out later as a video. You never know, that might be my next cash giveaway video where I give away money if you leave a comment on it. All right, you never know. So watch it when it comes out, leave a comment. All right, let's get back to the main show. Prediction on space today. Let's have a little look. A prediction. I like when people ask me for a prediction. Of course, I don't give predictions at all, but I know where the stock's going ultimately. So if you want me to, I will get my crystal ball out for you. Martyn, you're very lucky actually. I only review stocks for my members, but I like talking about it, so you're going to get away with it. So there you go. Let me look into my crystal ball. Here it comes. Where do I see and know Virgin Galactic going in the future? $100 a share in the next couple of years. Why do I say that? I've worked for Richard Branson on the Virgin experiences. I know it's his legacy. I know where it's going. I've got no doubt whatsoever. I see them hiring. I see them building hotels. I see them linking to the experiences. I still see them selling all their tickets, ramping up, ships are in place, timelines now ahead of schedule. Everything is as it should be. The economy will recover within the next year and a half, but remember the stock market will recover, be 6 months before that, fully recover. We're already starting to bottom out, potentially. Last CPI rate was phenomenal. If next month the CPI is equally as good, here we go. So there we go. Good news in the war. That'll put the stock market up 20%. So Virgin Galactic, I think, is a good buy. I own it at $4.93. I'm holding my position. I'll trim off when a little bit when it gets to $10. Not because I don't believe it's going to 100, because it is, but it's responsible. It's responsible to trim and keep my portfolio in balance, in check. All right, let's bring some of the comments on the screen. Biden meets Xi amid heightened China-US tensions. There we go, says Church of Logic. Church of Logic is one of our members. He's one of our long-standing members. I'm surprised, actually, you haven't got a yellow badge yet. You go from blue to green to yellow to gold. But he's been a moderator and he's been here forever. Seems like you should have had a badge, a yellow gold badge by now, Church. What's going on with that? Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda quietly used FTX customers' funds for trading, say sources. Yeah, crook belongs in jail. They're going to be changing Sam Bankman-Fried's name to Sam Bankman-Fried when he gets fried in the judicial system. Anyway, stocks making the biggest moves in pre-market. Hasbro, Oatly, Advanced Micro Devices, and more. Thank you, Church. Now, today, a measure of the markets. A measure of the markets coming up this week. Live on the show, we are covering tomorrow after hours, IonQ. IonQ after hours, we are covering it tomorrow. We are also covering Walmart's November the 15th pre-market. Walmart is really, really important. The staples, this kind of stuff is what will set the market right now. So, well, look, bad news is good news. Bad news with Walmart and Target are good news. Talking of Target, November the 16th pre-market, we are covering Target. I'm up 15% on Target. I'm up 16.5% on Walmart. Very, very nice indeed. Good dividends too. Church of Space from Martyn, 1988. Martyn, may I welcome you to the show. You'll notice that we have the highest engagement rate officially on YouTube. More live viewers are paid members than any other channel. Mr. Beast is about 8-9%. We're 95%. So if you'd like to become a member, we have a members program which is not designed to make me rich. I am trying to grow the best YouTube channel, TikTok channel in the world. I'm here to help people. I've given away $1 million to our charities on my Martyn Lucas channel before I started this, and then it sort of spilled over. And I'm here to help people. And the more I help, the faster we grow and the better we grow. So if you want to become a member and get 20 times back what you put in, all the members will tell you that. There is the link to become a member in the live show. Access to Discord, celebrate your birthdays. You can get many, many more perks and benefits. I'll give you the full list if you decide to go for something. Anyway, retailers' biggest holiday wish is to get rid of all that excess inventory. It is indeed, you're absolutely right. Congress seeks to arm Taiwan quickly as China threat grows, says Mike. Upgrades to AMD can drive the chip stock nearly 40% higher. Oil is down today. Church of Logic, some great statements coming in here now. Japan and Chinese exchanges are down 300 points. Yes, I was looking at the markets before. I always do that when I'm cleaning my teeth. I like to watch what the markets are doing. And just to show you, as I always do, full disclosure on everything I say is what I do. I do what I say and say what I do. Here is what I was looking at earlier. This is new in timeline order. New Zealand opened up first, they're down 0.71. Australia opened up next, they're down 0.61. The Nikkei, Japan, down 0.33. The Hang Seng, which is Hong Kong, is up 1.7. The DAX, Germany, is up 0.49. FTSE, the UK, is up 0.56. So there we go. There is where the markets are heading. I like to look at that, because if I see a massive 2-3% like we had on Thursday across the board, I knew the US was going to have a good day. So it's kind of obvious, really. You know, if there's explosive markets around the world like that, it's a very good indicator. Not that it affects my investing whatsoever, because I don't invest on headline trends like that. I'm already in at that point. Anyway, let's go back to our guests here. Afternoon, folks, sitting in the background on TikTok. Diggity Doc, you are one of my moderators, aren't you, Rob? We had, what was it yesterday? 16,500 people come through TikTok. I gained 600 followers on TikTok. We're now at, 29,000? And we had our best ever cash giveaway. It was great. I said if you wasn't here yesterday, TikTok or YouTube I'm talking to now, if you wasn't here yesterday, I said everyone on TikTok, for every person that comes across, I will do a cash giveaway, 50 cents per person. And it was great. We ended up giving away $23.50 because that's the amount of people that entered the video, who left the comment. So yeah, it was great. 50 cents per. I might do it again. If we get 1,000 people on TikTok, that would be $500 cash giveaway. They all come into YouTube, all watch the video. You never know. I might do it again. I might do it at any point. It was fun. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, DAX and FC are up. Yes, they are. G-Sun on watch for possible short squeeze. Good morning, everyone. Ed Nevius, how are you this morning? Right. 45 minutes to go, 15 minutes into the show, and I've not got as many likes that are in the show, so you're going to get punished. You're going to get punished with the commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds. You should have all liked the video by now. You haven't, so here is that lovely commercial. You can skip it. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. That'll teach you. Make sure you start watching the ads. What's wrong with you? I love when we get comments like this. A guy called Willie Kosovich says it's cringe. Fine, don't watch me then. We have a wonderful, dedicated community and a family. We've raised lots of money for charity. We've made money. We help people all the time. We're honest all the time. We're live all the time. You don't like that? Go somewhere else. I used to get really upset by that, as you guys know. I probably do a little bit still. They know it, so that's why they do it. But now I try to just laugh it off and go, well, there you go. Don't like it then. Anyway, but that's why I've got my moderators over there on TikTok. They know I'm an emotional person. They know I care. They know it hurts me sometimes. So there you go. Mike says yes, leave. Yeah, watch out for the clowns. Watch out for the clowns. Rob's muted him already because he knows if I don't mute him, he'll start winding Martyn up. Martyn will say something wrong and he'll get himself in trouble. That's why Rob muted him. He muted him not because he cares what you're saying. He cares what I end up saying. That's what's going on. Anyway, just to put a name to a face to a name, a name to a face to a name, whatever. This is Rob McLean, one of our members. Just so you know who he is.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There you go. Teodoro, cringe was chosen for something like a youth word last year in Germany. Is that right? Cringe was chosen for something like a youth word last year in Germany. I don't know anything about that. Hi, Sid. Hi, everybody. Stephen, how are you? Right, look, let's have a look. We're down 0.56 at the moment. And the big news of the day, which will go out as a video later on, is Tilray Brands up 6.46. He is right about that word. Is that right? Cringe was chosen for something like a youth word last year in Germany. We say it here in the States all the time. We say it in England too. Anyway, let's go through our stocks this morning. Let's have a little look. So the S&P, my overall portfolio is slightly down, but nothing to worry about. S&P is down 0.28. Virgin Galactic is down 1%. Virgin Orbit, I'm waiting to buy in. I've still got all my buy-ins. All my buy-ins are always set and they're reset all the time. My next buy-in for Tesla is 170. I hope it doesn't come off. On one hand, On the other hand, I hope it does come off. All right? Because it's like, I know it's going up, just gives me a chance to buy more, right? Anyway, let's get you all liked up. Let's get everybody liked up. We got 19 likes, 25 watching. So we know what we're going to do. We want 25 likes in 1 minute. Here it comes. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Alright, we need 25 likes in 41 seconds. 18, 19, 20, 21. Come on, we need four more likes. I said chicky 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 pow pow. Pokemon says haters gonna hate. I like what I see so far. I may sub, but I got school run. If you sub, you have a very special gift that you don't know about. There we go. Let me turn the like off. Turn the timer off. Am I gonna miss it? Someone just said, I like what I'm seeing already. I like that. I like that. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not even going to tell you what you get as a subscriber. Is that Pokemon? If you subscribe to me on TikTok, I promise you, you've got a surprise 20 times back what you put in. I promise you. All right. I'm not even going to tell you what I'm going to do for you because I want to see if you just do it. All right. You can work out what I do because if you look at my profile, you see me do it all the time. I've got 11 subscribers on TikTok, and if you subscribe to me, I will do something you're gonna love. I promise you. All right, so take a chance on it. All right, so I'll see if you do it, and if you do it, there's a surprise coming your way. All right, okay. Let's carry on going through the stocks now. We're up to 24 likes. We needed to 25. Pretty good. Rivian, Lucid, looking good. Let me go have a look at my overall portfolio. We are just down 0.61 at the moment. I will start saving up for that one. Without trying to give too much away to that person, because I didn't want to say what it was. I think he's gone. He's on a school run. He's going to come back later. He's on a school run. What I was going to say is, if you are a TikToker and you want to grow, this has got to be the very, very best way to grow your channel. Because I go to work for you. I love doing it. I've got 29,000 followers. We're on target to be at 100,000 followers within 3 months. No, 3 months. 6 months. At the rate I'm growing. 6 months. And if you subscribe to me on TikTok, I think it's a couple of bucks. It's like it is as a member on YouTube. Not only do I follow you back, and I only ever follow my subscribers. That way, the people that look into who I follow very often follow who I follow. People like to do that. And I only follow 41 people, and that's my subscribers on TikTok and my members on YouTube. So that puts you right in a list, a very small list, so people find you. Number one. Number two, probably the best thing is from time to time, and I do it straight away as soon as you subscribe, but I do it again. I make a commercial where I put your channel on the screen on TikTok behind, on the big TV screen. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking to you on YouTube right now, and I record it and invite my 29,000 followers to follow you. I tag you in it, put it on my profile into my super fan playlist, and people then watch that video and they go like they do on YouTube, where I ask people to subscribe to other channels. They do the same thing on TikTok. We all help each other. So everyone gains subscribers. Or followers rather. It's a really great way of helping everybody. I love it. It's really good. So, yeah, if you don't have a channel that you want to grow on TikTok, don't bother. But if you do it. If you want to support my channel, then do it. If you want me to make exclusive videos for you, then do it. If you want me to answer all your questions and follow you back, do it. That's the reasons. Anyway, Pokemon's done it. Right, he's gone and done it. Right, Pokemon, I didn't even know you were back. Right, well, thank you so much. You've now got a Luca badge. With everybody on TikTok, all my subscribers and moderators and family members, please welcome him in, Pokemon. Thank you. So what I'm going to do for you It'll be at the end of the day today, because right at the end of this broadcast, I'm rushing off to go swimming. I do water aerobics every morning. Normally I do it straight after the video, but I will do it when I get back from swimming. So it'll be in about 2 hours after I finish here. I will put your channel on the screen, invite everyone to follow you, everyone to like you, and I'll do it from time to time. And I'll also give you exclusive content and follow you back and all that stuff. So everybody now will see you as my latest follower. And I've only followed 44 people. You'll be my 45th person. And that way it's quality. It's not about numbers. It's about engagement. And I hope that my 29,000 followers will see your video. I very often get 500,000 views or 250,000, 250,000 views on a video. So hopefully people will see the video and tag you in it, follow you. So it's a good thing, isn't it? It's a good thing. It's a good thing. We like helping people. Right. Okay. If you want to meet the family, the home of the show, it's youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. And this is our YouTube broadcast right now. That's the best place to be. Some people prefer TikTok. I don't know why. YouTube experience is far, far higher. You can do far more. You can call in, be in the show. There's so much more you can do on YouTube. The quality's better, multi-screens, so on and so forth. Anyway. William Wallace is here. William Wallace is here. Freedom. He's in the house. We love it. We love it. Okay, the overall portfolio is down just slightly now, 0.72. Any big news? We reported on Tilray earlier. As you can see, Tilray's up 6.46. Semiconductors down. Canoe is up 7.59. Hey, Shad, how you doing? Tesco's, good old Tesco's. Now then, what are we doing with Tesco's? Tesco's is like Walmart in the UK, if you don't know. We can access it here in the US. Look at this. Very, very important chart here. Across the board, you see what it does. When it's people buy in for the dividends, they sell it, pop it. You can see what it does over 5 years. It massively sold off because inflation and prices and profits and Ukraine and all the rest of it. So I bought it. It went down another 10%. I didn't buy any more, though, because it would have been irresponsible. But I'm now down just 1.5%. The stock was down. If you look from there, 42% up, down to 6. So that's like, what, I don't know, 50% drop from the top. So this is my strategy. It's very, very simple. What I'll be doing here is it sells off at this point. I'm going to set a limit order to sell it just below there. I'm not going to be greedy and try and catch it at the top. There's no point. The business is now different. People will be looking for this price. I'm going to sell it somewhere along here. This is not something I need to own. And when it drops back, circular. I never get that word right. When it drops back down, I'm going to buy it again. Now, if it doesn't drop that down again, I don't mind. It's not a stock I'm really excited about. It's just free money for the dividends. It's oversold right now. And the moment things inflation comes down and the war comes to an end, which is bound to at some point, if not in the near future, this will go up. I will sell it. I will probably make something like. Hang on. I'll probably make something like $1,500, something like that. So my 3, 6, 4, it'd be like $5,000, something like that. I'll sell the whole lot at $5,000, $1,500 up. Happy with that. Loads of capital back out. That's my plan. That's my plan. So there you go. You know exactly what I'm going to do ahead of time on Tesco. All right, we're going to report on IonQ after hours. After hours today. Right, I forgot. After hours today, IonQ earnings, quantum computers with EVs and all the rest of it. Self-driving. IonQ quantum computers, very, very important. It was when I bought it the second biggest investment for Amazon. I will tell you that. So there you go. Worth having some shares of IonQ. It's earnings after hours tonight. I'm up 8%. If we get a massive blop, blop, drop. I prefer blop, it sounds better, doesn't it? If we get a massive drop before the earnings, I will pick some more up because I'm a little bit underweighted. It's only 0.78 of my portfolio, and we'll see how it plays out. But IonQ earnings tonight. If you want to join me, here it is, IonQ earnings. I'll be there live. There it is, the live. Now, when you see the earnings thumbnails, you will notice that there's a live underneath. That's when it's an actual live broadcast in red. Kind of makes sense, right? I mean, obvious. When you see it when you see it go out later as a video, which it does, they go out later as videos. They have underneath them in green, edit. What that actually means is it means we cut out all the bit before, all the build up, the timer, and all the bit afterwards. It's for people who just then want to watch it afterwards. It's also good for the analytics of YouTube. They like a video that's been processed better than live. I've explained that to you before. If you want to make money as a YouTuber, you make videos, you don't go live all the time. I go live all the time because I want to build a community. And I'm always different. And I always buy when everyone sells, and sells when everyone buys. Goes live when everyone else makes videos. I'm always the opposite, and that works for me. Bill is my top viewer on TikTok. Look at all the roses that Bill sent me. Thank you, Bill. Thank you very much. It really helps the channel, those roses. It really, really does. Thank you very much indeed. Right, we're at 8 o'clock, half an hour to go before the market opens, and we're looking okay. Tilray Brands is doing very, very nicely. I'm down 0.67. Very happy with that. Not concerned after last week. Expected sell-offs, of course. Might get a 10% drop. That won't concern me either. If I got a 10% drop, wouldn't concern me either. All right, time for a quick commercial break. Skip the ad, come right back. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, here we are once again. Tilray Brands is pumping again. Up 8% now. Very, 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 very nice. Tilray Brands, 08.13. This is great. $40 a stock. Who's buying this now? Let's have a look. Democrats don't believe in it. Stay away from prison stocks now. Democrats don't believe in it. Stay away from... Hang on a minute. 1 minute you want to buy prisons. Now you don't. What's going on, Churchy? Mark Corn. I love Mark Corn. Mark Corn's here. Mark Corn has a yellow badge. I've not seen a gold badge owner yet. I've not seen a gold badge owner yet. Gold badge, you'll recognize it. It'll be gold. I don't believe I just said that. It'll be... You'll recognize when someone comes in with a gold badge because it's gold. Right, and then the big one is the red one. That's a long way off. I think that's like 2 years away. Anyway, Mark Corn's been a member for 10 months. 10 months. Yeah, I think you've got 2 months to go and you'll turn gold. The first person who will turn gold will be Muzanella. Be Muzanella. And me, Martyn Lucas, because Yes, I'll turn gold too. Because I'm a member as well. I'm a member, so I know how it works. I always test things out. See, look, if I go high here, look. Is that me? No, that's not me. I have to go over here to do that. Look, if I go high, it's me, right? If I go here, high. If I go high, I can come up. In fact, I wonder if I can do it. Yeah, I can do a super chat as well. I've got a super chat as well. Go and check your super chats. Bronze member for 11 months. Get in. Right, there it is. Look. Look. There you go. There you go. I haven't done that for ages. Yeah, go and check your free super chats. You can put a comment in and stuff like that. It's kind of nice. Don't just leave it blank like I did. Or like Mike did. See, Mark Corn made an effort. Best soft, AMC to the moon. Oh, we ate that phrase. You will know best soft. I never use that phrase to the moon. It's overused. It's silly. I don't like it. I'm very pleased for you that you think it's going to go up, but I don't like that to the moon thing. It was made up by YouTubers on crypto, and it's just it so confuses everybody. It's like when everyone says everything's amazing all the time. It's like and it's the best in the world, and it's like there's no validity to the statement. Anyway, congratulations, Mike and Martin. Yeah, congratulations. I've been subscribing to myself for 11 months. Yeah, I'm going to be the first person to turn gold unless I cancel my membership. I'm going to beat Mike by about a day. I think Mike joined the same day as me. Musanella's the first person. If he comes in, he'll be the first person. Anyway, I'm at 11 a few weeks ago. There you go. Oh, it might be Bill. I wonder who the first person to show off their gold badge will be. We all love you, Martin. I love you all too. I love you all too. Love this nothing more than this. Well, I love my wife more, I have to say. Otherwise, there's no more coffee and tea coming in. So, got to make sure we get that sorted out. But I love you all too, yeah. 0.52 down. S&P is coming up. So where are we going today? Virgin Orbit, Tesla. Nothing really exciting to say at the moment, other than Tilray. Other than Tilray, nothing else to really say at the moment. Everything is sideways. It's Tilray that's putting my portfolio up. Otherwise, be right back. Okay, Mark, your excuse. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. See you in a bit, mate. McDonald's is up 0.18. Coca-Cola is up 0.25. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.31. Google is down 0.74, but returning. Unless Moo shows up, I'm on it. Should be end of the month. Yes! Bill will be the first gold badge to be on display. There you go. Microsoft is down 1.18. Meta is down 0.81. SoFi, IonQ earnings tonight. See you guys in a bit. Oh, I know what he's doing. This is when Churchy leaves where he is now and goes somewhere he will become in a few moments' time. Do you like that? That's a bit weird, isn't it? He leaves where he is now and he goes where he becomes in a few moments' time. And we know, normally it's about 20 minutes he pops up in the office. We can track him. We know where he is. I'm going to put a little tracker on you so I actually can follow you on the map and put you on the screen. PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart. Let me have a look at IonQ a minute. What's their expectations? I might buy some more. Preview earnings call after hours today. Let's have a little look. Last quarter, they smashed earnings. The expectations has been the same. It's not been up. It's not been ramped up at all, is it? I wonder if they can do it again. That's interesting. When we're gone, we won't be here anymore. I like it, Dexter Sickles. You're dead right. When we're gone, we won't be here anymore. All right, brilliant. Do you still think Meta has upside? Yes, I wouldn't own it otherwise. Look, here's my Meta position. Hang on. It was my Meta position. Hey, what's going on? There we go. Microsoft, Meta. There's my Meta position on the screen right now. Yes, I bought it at 87. I think it's worth at least $200. Absolutely. Not even with a doubt. Not even, it's obvious. I can't believe everyone thought it was rubbish and I don't understand it. Anyway, we won't talk about that right now. It upsets Church. He doesn't like it. Oh, he's gone now, and I can talk about it if I want. The Queen of South Braiding. Good morning, all my people. There she is. There she is. Check Canoe. It's moving. Gove. Canoe. Yes, it is. It is. It is up 7.5 this morning. I've got such a small position in that. The earnings was good, wasn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah, they beat on earnings. They're in bed with Walmart. They're in bed with Walmart. It's would have been good if I'd bought more at 118, but I didn't. And I didn't. I'm fully invested in it. I'm fully invested. Not in fully invested with this, but no, I'm down 52%. Got a long way to go before I get my money back, but I'm not going to buy it now. That would be, well, it wouldn't be stupid, no. But That actually is interesting. I don't normally do that. But it's down 52%. So actually, it is actually worth a buy. Actually, don't chase a pump though. It's up. You can see everything up. Everything's up like that. You got to remind yourself, my entire portfolio was up 25% on Thursday and Friday. So to chase Canoe now would probably not be the best thing to do. It is moving. I am down 53% though. It would dramatically lower my averages. My average is 358. The earnings was good. Walmart's earnings is coming out. They're involved with Canoe. I've got such a small position. It wouldn't be that much of a bad idea. I could basically halve my position. I should have done it last week at 122. However, it's an EV space, isn't it? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to buy some. Even though it might go down, I don't care. I'm down... hang on a minute. Whoa, hang on. Did I buy that just before that pump? No. What happened there? 169? Yeah. I did. I bought it at 169. It's just gone up 20%. Oh my gosh, was that the deal of the century? Look. I just bought it. I bought 151 shares at 169. and it went, what was that? Was that actually happening on the screen? Did you see that? It went up 20%. Did you see it? No, not FOMO. Not FOMO on this case, Shad, because it is my all-time low price, remember? My all-time low price was 368. I've just bought it for 169. So it's not actually FOMO on this case. It's very, very small position, extremely small position. So anyway. I might buy a bit more. That was interesting how that popped up there. I think that was maybe a chart error because that was ridiculous. Anyway, we'll see. No, that's not FOMO. FOMO is when you're all anxiety, your anxieties, you're excited, and I've got to buy some. That's FOMO, fear of missing out. I've got no FOMO at all. I'm just recognizing that is that's a little bit been under my radar. I have not noticed that. Being 50% down on it is a great opportunity to lower my averages when we know that this space is going to grow. It's such a small part of my portfolio. It'll make no real difference if it goes to zero anyway. And they beat on expectations. Every sign that things are going to be better. So, and I've got an average of 264. And I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a limit order. Where were we? It won't be down here. If we hold today, let me look at the overall markets. If the overall markets are up, yeah, I'm down just 0.5%. I don't see. I still think the rally is going to continue this week, so I'm expecting the CPI to be good as well. FTX is a better investment. Arnold, what are you talking about? Yeah. So 169. Look, it bounced at 144. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. It's such a low. I'm going to do it manually. Oh, hang on. No, what I'll do, I'll set. Let me look at it again. Let me have a look. It's going sideways for ages. It's suddenly pumped here. 130. I'm going to pick a random number. I like 144. No reason. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a limit order. A limit order of 144. All right. And I'll buy. And what have I got now? 100. Good for the day. Yeah, because I've just paid. My all-time low now is 169, which is half of what it was at 327, right? So 169, 144. I'll buy 100. I'll allow it to execute whenever it's ready, anytime. Good for the day. No, good till cancelled. I'll let that run. There you go. I'm going to do that. Review the order. And 144. There you go. Okay. I'm going to let that sit there, and if it drops, we shall see. We shall see what happens. I can forget about it now. Right. Let's have a look. Take the 500 and run. Arnold Palmer is so entertaining. Perfect timing. Cy Y Lee. How are you, Cy Y Lee? Good to see you this morning. Lovely to see you. I think you were with us yesterday, weren't you? On our giveaway. Thanks for joining us. We might do it again today. You never know. I do them randomly all over the place now. I'm like Father Christmas coming up to Christmas, doing cash giveaways all over the place. Noob here. I know stop loss and how to buy from playing on Binance, but what site do you use? Pokemon. I would like to give you some. Would you like some free stocks? Would you want some free stocks? I like to give people free stocks, because I get referrals from people, so I can give you free stocks. I tell you the best thing to do, Pokemon, is to hop over to YouTube. I can share you the link of what I use, and I can give you some free stocks. He said, sure. He said, yeah, why not? What country are you in? Before you come into YouTube, because you need to be on YouTube, what country are you in? Because that makes a difference. What country are you in? All right. Not too worried about giveaways, more into opinions. Ah, okay. Cy Y Lee. Lovely to have you here. AMC today. Troy Stewart is sharing AMC. If we've got any guests in here today that'd like to be a member of our channel, we have the highest live viewers to membership engagement rate on YouTube, higher than Mr. Beast. If you want to be a member, there's the membership, and you get lots and lots of perks and benefits if you become a member. Many, many perks and benefits. Click on it, have a look at it for a couple of bucks a month. My members, it's why everyone's a member. They will tell you they get back 20 times what they put in. So go and check it out. Okay. Just a few minutes to go. Did we do a commercial break at 15:15? I don't know if we did. I don't think we did. So you lucky people, you got away from having an ad break. Well, don't worry. Here it comes. See you back in 10 seconds. Okay, now then, Virgin Galactic is up as well. $100 a share within 2 years. That's my prediction. Let's go back to Tilray, see what it's doing. Tilray. Let's go back to Gove, 169. Let's see what that does this morning. I'm down 35% now. I've got a very small position. I've got another order at 140. I'm in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada, says Bill. If you want a semiconductor play, have a look at ASML. I mentioned this in September when it was around 420, doing well so far, just got upgraded also. There you go. That's coming in from Fusion 301. Welcome, Cy. He's getting a lovely welcome in, look. You should become a member, Cy. I'm the World Piano Man, and on your birthday, or your family, or anyone you love and care about, I will celebrate your family back here in the studio behind me. Let me give you a wave. And we will do a happy birthday for you. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser concert. There's many, many perks to do. We've got some fundraiser concerts coming up, actually. We put them all on hold because the markets were so down, but we haven't forgotten anybody. We've got that to do again. I have joined. No, you haven't joined. If you joined, you'd have a badge. See, after your name, you've got no badge. Everybody has a badge. 95% of my viewers are actual members. You've subscribed to the channel and you're watching me, but you're not a member. You don't get all the perks and benefits. Hey, family, here he is. Ali Tisro, huge shout out to Ali Tisro, who gave us a great phone-in the other day, yesterday in fact. It was our biggest day on TikTok. We gave away a cash prize, and we had 13 or 14,500 people come through TikTok. It was amazing. And anyway. Oh, strange. I paid on my card. Did you do that? So you are a member? Well, that's very weird because you should have a badge. It can't have gone through. Your card may have been declined or something. That's very strange, Si, because you'd have a badge after your name. You'd absolutely have a badge after your name if you were a member. And I'll also go and look now on the membership list. There's never been an error before. I've never heard of it's even possible. Let's have a look. Let me have a look. Memberships. I don't think he's a member. He would have a badge. No, he's not. No, you're not a member. I've got the list here. Look, this is my list of members. This is the list of members as they come in, as they rejoin. Your name's not on there. I will share with you now. We have, what was it? 89 members now. 89. Look, 89 members now. 89. We lost a couple when I was on holiday, but they've all coming back now, so it's very good. These are our golds, platinum, all sorts. Anyway. Weird, I'll try it. Anyway, Steezy G, morning. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend. I did, Steezy G. So much better to see you all here this morning, though. Hi, it's Pokemon. Ah, here he is. It's Pokemon from TikTok. Would everybody please welcome Andrew Grady, who is my newest subscriber on TikTok. Shall we get him to be a member now on the on the main deal, the YouTube channel? There we go. See if he becomes a member here. This is where you want to be a member, Andrew. This is the place you want to be a member. Okay, wonderful to have you. Hello, everyone. There you go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You asked me a question. Oh, yes, you wanted all my free... Yes. What platform do I use? Okay, this platform you're watching right now is Robinhood. What country are you in? Andrew, what country are you in? Mass sell-off on stocks a day, you reckon? No, I don't. I think my portfolio is very robust. I'm very, very happy. Andrew, England. Well, lovely to welcome you here. I'm actually from Cornwall. My home is in Cornwall, in the UK, and my studio is here in Texas. You probably guessed I wasn't from Texas, right? Anyway. All right, my lover, my answer, my booty. What part of Cornwall are you from? So, because you're from Cornwall, because you're from England, I can't give you the free stocks from Robinhood, but I can, however, give you free stocks from eTORO and Webull, I think it is. So, if you use my referral, I will share with you what I get as well. And if I get any benefit from it, I will share it with you. That's what I do for everyone. So, here is my all links button. All right, here it is the all links button. No way, you're from Red Ruff. I'm from Truro. Bloody hell, I've got a Cornish boy in the house. Red Roof. Bloody hell, I can't believe it. Right, if you click on that link, it'll bring you to the all links button. This is the all links button. You can scroll down like this and you can subscribe to my newsletter if you want to be in my weekly cash prize draw. All right. Once you've put your email in, you need to verify it. The verification email always goes into your junk folder because it contains the word cash price raw, which it is. There is the email you're looking for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. I'll put it in the chat. Search for that in your junk folder, verify it. But if you scroll down, you will see that I'm the world piano man as well, as voted by Elton John. There's my my music channel. You can check that out. But here's all my free stocks. This is all my social media on Twitch and Twitter and Facebook. But these are the free stocks. Look, here. No, hang on. Where is it? There you go. Webull, you get some Apple stocks. Coinbase, you get $10. Crypto.com, mind you, all those companies are going bust, so I don't know about those. eTORO, a $10 gift. When they give me some, when they give if they finally give me the referral they're supposed to, I'm going to share it with you and give you $10. They've not done that yet. It's been bloody awful. Anyway, I'll share that on the screen. But there you go. There's the all links button. Okay, I'll get on it, mate. There you go. Ilogan. I love it. Ooh, we got one of the boys in this afternoon. There he goes. Andrew Grady from Cornwall, my answer, my booty. Love it. I was in Cornwall. I was home a few weeks ago, actually, for the whole of October, visiting Newquay, visiting Virgin Orbit, the space station. Right, let's have a look. Where are we right now? Should we need to get Andrew Grady as a YouTube member so I can give him some really good stuff. Andrew Grady, become a YouTube member, and we'll do good stuff for you. You're gonna love it. Trust me, you're going to love it, just like on TikTok, but even better. You get even more on YouTube. I use eTORO. There you go. Shad uses it. Shad, I've been watching your Facebook videos, your gaming and your racing and your overtaking and stuff. What's going on there, mate? How come you got time for all this gaming stuff? I don't know. I hear the accent creeping in now. See? In my booty. There he is. He loves it. Right. FTSE at 100, 7.1 over the month. We've got a new member. We've got a new member, everybody. Fantastic. Andrew Grady has just become a bronze member of the channel. We got 3 minutes to go. We've got to get into the chat, but we're now going to give you all... I joined twice now. I know it's like a cult, isn't it? It's like the addiction to this channel is just ridiculous. Right, would everybody please welcome in Andrew Grady? I've just got chance to welcome him in. I'll give him all his perks after we've made some money. We've been trading for a few minutes. But first of all, though, Andrew Grady, would everybody put your cities and countries in, blow him up, make him feel welcome. Welcome to the family. Boom. There you go. Thank you ever so much, mate. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lovely to have you here. It's an addiction. Yeah, it is. Be very, very careful. You get addicted to it. You can't go anywhere. People never leave. People watch 10 hours a day. I'm live 10 hours a day. I don't think everybody watches 10 hours a day. Bill does. Bill and Mike do. They're here all day long, every day. Never go anywhere. Right, okay. 1% down. Let's have a little look. Where are we going to go right now? Andrew. I'm from Palm Bay, Florida. I will give you all your perks in a minute. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. I bought some Gove. It's up 6%. I've got a buy order at 140. Let's see how we go. Church that I never miss. I've not seen a blue badge for ages. Blue badge turns green, green turns yellow, yellow turns gold, gold turns red. I've not seen a blue badge for a while. Anyway, okay, here we go. I'm not in front of the screen. Video still runs. There you go. Look at that. Their dedication for you. Here we go. I've got a buy order for Canoe, expecting it to drop. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready for the lightning round. Get ready to ring the bell. Market sell off right. We like that. We like that. Dip down and then go up again. I'm holding all my positions, by the way. I'm up 24%. We've lost a percent today, so I'm 23. I'm not selling anything right now. Good luck, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Let's make some money. Let's see if we can start the week in the green. If we can start the week in the green and Walmart and Target's earnings, remember bad news is good news, we'll have a great week. Bitcoin, I've been buying the dips as well. Here we go. We've got just 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. We are in. Which way is it going to flash? Well, Sai has just become a bronze member as well. Look at that. Welcome, Sai. Right on the bell. Right on the bell. Sai became a member. I will give you guys your perks and benefits in just a moment. Right, let's see where the markets are going. Here we go. This is the lightning round where the S&P is down 0.43. Virgin Galactic is down, but down 2.18. I've got buys. Forgot I had frozen my card. There you go. Virgin Orbit is down. Tesla is down 1.95. Rivian is down 1%. Oh, Rivian's just popped up. Oh, Rivian's. There we go. Up 26. Oh, 26. Rivian. Oh, okay. Keep an eye on Rivian. Rivian is moving. Welcome, Sai and Andrew. Welcome, Sai and Andrew, says Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro is royalty. Ali Tisro has his own Discord channel, as does Ed Nevius. He's a gold member, has been since the very beginning, never left, always been gold, contribute to the show, supports, give memberships away. He does the sponsors the newsletter. Great support to our family, and also a great contributor to our live phone-ins on crypto, and had a great interview phoning with me a couple of days ago. Brilliant. Rivian is popped up. Lucid, let's carry on going. Arrival is up. Amazon taking a dive. I've got buys everywhere. Hi Ali, enjoyed your input last night. Oh, there you go. Sai is a new member. Where are you from, Sai? What part of the world are you from? City and country. Everybody put your cities and countries in, please, for Sai and our new member as well. We've got 2 new members this morning. Robinhood is up. McDonald's is down slightly. Now, I want to see Robinhood up. Let's go to crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV is up 2.74. Bitcoin is up today. I bought some more, as I said, or did I not, actually? No, it didn't quite go through. Yes, I placed 2 orders that haven't gone through yet. So I'm still at just $510 of Bitcoin. Manchester, fantastic. I've been to Manchester United, I've been to Old Trafford. I saw David Beckham play years ago. Ethereum's up. Bitcoin's up. Let's go through. Enphase Energy up 3%, looking very nice. I haven't got a buy order for that one. I need to put one in. Ginkgo Bioworks, I'm out of it. Tilray Brands is up. It was up 8%. It's bouncing back. It's 3%. Overall portfolio now down 2%. We're taking a drop. Am I selling anything? No. Canoe. Oh my gosh. Canoe's gone down 3%. Okay, I've got a buy in at 144. 144. Let's have a little look at what Canoe does. 144. I hope I can get that. I hope it goes to 144. Ronaldo treatment is out of control. Yeah, I heard about that this morning on Sky News. 144. That might go through if we continue like that. Tilray Brands is fallen down. Canoe, Tesco, we'll go back to that. It's up 1.37. I'm nearly in the money on Tesco. What is Martin using to buy and sell? I'm using Robinhood. This is Robinhood. It's not available in the UK yet. When it is, I will give it to you. They're going global. It's the best brokerage, I think. I love Robinhood. There are no transactions fees. I love the platform. It's 24 hours a day customer service. I can phone them up. They give me free stocks to give away. It's easy. It's simple. I love it. I love Robinhood. It's what I trade on live every day. This is my actual money, my actual positions in front of all of you. All right. The platform is Robinhood, not available in the UK. I love the way everyone answers it for me. Thank you. Looks clean and simple. It is. You do your research yourself. use your charts, whatever. But for me, I'm more interested in researching the CEO, the company, what they make, what they do. I use charts as a guide, and then I got Ali Tisro for my technical analysis. Anyway, I've got Ali Tisro for that. But for me, I spend my time just studying the companies and the people who work there and what they do and how they innovate and how they pioneer. That's what I'm interested in. Right, everything's selling off this morning. That's great. That's great. So if we believe the markets are strong, they'll come back in a minute. If you don't believe that and you think the whole thing was a fake out last week, then you're going to run to the hills right now. For me, I'm holding. I'm up 24%, so I'm down to 22% now since Thursday. I'm not selling anything. McDonald's and Coke and J&J, all very strong. They all kind of tend to do that. When the market sells off, they balance everything out. That's why it's so important. Looks clean and simple. Do you know the most important thing to investing, and I'm an investor more than a trader. That's why the channel is called Martyn Lucas Investor, is you want a platform or information that is clear and straightforward, and it doesn't. So you're not cluttered. Your mind is free. You're relaxed. You're happy. And if you're relaxed and happy and stress free, you'd always make the right decisions. Whereas if you get all stressed and all over the place, then and too much information and confused, then it's not good at all. SoFi. What about SoFi? I've got a much bigger position now on SoFi. I've got 406 shares on it. Tilray Brands has given away its gains this morning. 2.2% down now. My overall portfolio, I'll share it with you on the screen. Here we go. 2.2 down. Not concerned. Not concerned. I'm holding my positions. Oh, here we go. Gove. Yep, here goes Gove. 149. I got an order. No, I got an order at 144. I've got an order at 144 for Gove Canoe. 144. Let's see if I get it, shall we? It'll need to go to like 142 for the market makers to just get inside. But I've got a buy order at 144, so it'll just need to go just below. There's my order, look, 144, 100 shares at 144. 149 right now. Now, you might say, FOMO, ooh, no, you bought it this morning. Why did you buy it? It was okay. Okay. I added a small position. I lowered my average. It was like 57% down. I'm now 44% down, and I'll be probably in the 30s if I buy it at 144. Let's have a little look. 146. 144. Here we go. Gove purchased. Gove has gone through. There we go. Gove has gone through. I've now got an average. There you go. 38% now. I've got an average of 38% now. Much, much better. And that can recover quite quickly now. So what I'll do now is my average, because they beat earnings, and I like the fact that Walmart's reporting on, and there'll be some reflection to that on Walmart. They're reporting pre-market tomorrow, before we ring the bell tomorrow. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at Gove again. They are doing the delivery vehicles for Walmart. That's one of the things they're doing. I am looking at that. My all-time low now was 144. Just went through. So now I'm going to look back and see how low it went down before it bounced. We got it as low as 138, 138, 138, 117, 117. Let's get up. Let's close in a little bit. 117, 133, 117. Just before the earnings, yeah, 117. And it bounced off that. All right. 117, 116, so 120. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a limit order at 120. Right? So I'm going to buy a limit order and $1.20, and we'll look at 100. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow. So if it goes to 120, I will pick it up at the bottom, and the earnings was good. So I expect a mid-morning bounce on this. You might disagree, and that's fine. But review the order. 100 shares at 120. Good till cancelled. I will leave that in the bank now forever. 90 days, I think it is. It will sit there now. I can forget about it. That's how I do it. So I've made my decision. I'm in. I can always cancel it if I want to. I am actually in south of Manchester, Cheshire, but easier to say Manchester. I know Cheshire very well. He's in the posh. He's in the posh part. He's in the posh part. For those who don't know, he's from Cheshire. Right. The portfolio is bouncing back. My stocks are making some returns. There you go. Picked up some lower stocks. I've only bought Go this morning. Nothing too exciting, but nevertheless, we're bouncing back mid-morning. First 20 minutes of the day traders scalping, but I do anticipate a green day. Should we have a poll? We have a poll. All right, before we do that, I've just remembered. I've got to give all my members now their benefits. So, not only do you have a badge, obviously, that's the first thing you've noticed, you will now get a poll. If you want to poll a question to the members in the channel, you can. Just ask me a question. If you want me to do a poll for you, I can do that as a member. I will answer all your questions. I will reply to all your comments on YouTube. So if you are a YouTuber, not only do you get your questions answered, but it promotes your channel, because I often tag you to the top and other people see your channel and subscribe to you. If you ever become a silver member and you are a YouTuber, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and every Friday I do Members Day and I get everyone to subscribe to your channel. Wonderful thing. I love doing that. That's a great thing if you are a YouTuber and wish to grow your channel. You can also, as a bronze member now, have a birthday party for you, a loved one, anyone, when it's your birthday, the day before, the day after, or the day of. I will go back here. They give you a wave, and I will sing you happy birthday live on the show. You can keep the video; it's yours to share, and you will have your very own birthday message. That is a service that people hire me to do for $500. You get for free as a member of this channel. You can also there's many other perks as well, discounts in the shop and blah blah blah. But one of the other things you can get is my members. I will follow you back on all social media if you follow me. You like your gadgets. You've seen nothing yet, Si. As a member now, and another perk, as a member, you can request a song in the show. All this lights up, smoke comes down, special effects, and you can have a song. It's a $10 super chat, which covers the copyright, which I will lose the ad revenue for doing a song, but I will do it for my members with a $10 super chat, okay? Only members can request songs. And also, you can get access now to Discord. Now, Discord is great if you want to be able to communicate with the members, you want to get all my stock tips, all my big traders' stock tips, call in live to the show, many perks and benefits. There's the Discord. Everyone can access it for free. But when you get over there, let me know you're in Discord. I will bring Discord up on the screen, and I will upgrade your account live on the show. This is Discord. I will see you appear here in the welcome all, and I will upgrade your account, yeah. So we got some scammers appearing on Discord this morning. I've just been alerted of another one. Let's have a look at this one. Here's another one, Martin. We get scammers on the channel. Let me just have a quick look and get rid of them. People pretend to be me, or $20 for Bohemian Rhapsody. Yep, $20 you can have Bohemian Rhapsody. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Because it's like 10 minutes long. But yes, you can have Bohemian Rhapsody for $20. Yes, live on the show. Let me just keep a hold of my portfolio a moment, and let me just have a little look. Did we get another imposter today join our channel? I'll ban them straight away. Bearing in mind, they may be banned from my channel, but they can still message you right? But they can't appear on my channel. Yeah, there's no Martyn Lucas now available. They're gone. I've got rid of the bad one. And to know, it's, if anyone wants to know, that's me, by the way. Oh, Peter. Oh, that's you. Oh, right. Okay, I can upgrade you then. This is you. That's me, by the way. Peter L. This is you. This is you. Right? My full name is a mouthful. Okay. Okay, well, I need to upgrade you then. So first of all, I'm going to give you a nickname so we know you're the same person. People get very confused if people have different names. So Wa Lee. That's Sai Wa Lee. And what I'm going to do now is upgrade you. Sai Wa Lee. I'm going to give you a role as a YouTube member. Can you see this? You're now a YouTube member. You can now see all the other channels. Up to now, you could only see the public channels. You can now see all of the top tips channels. If you ever go silver, you can have your own channel, promote your business. If you have something you want to promote or whatever, you can do that as long as it's respectful. We allow anything. It's fine. Right, I'm going to open the broadcast lounge. And now, if you want to call in, or anybody wants to call in, the broadcast lounge is open. You can call into the show, either by a phone call or video. It's entirely up to you. Right, there is the broadcast lounge. Okay, you can now access all of that. So anybody that's a YouTube member can do that. So I need to upgrade your account if I've not yet already done it. All right. Okay, 3.65 down at $1,700 today. The markets are selling off. Is it all going to go away? Blimey, there are a lot. What, a lot of channels? I guess there are. Is CZ manipulating the market against this customer since shorts? Mr. Cossack, what are you talking about? CZ of channels? Oh yes, there are. You can close the subdirectories if you don't want to see the whole list. I've got buy orders placed all over the place today. Canoe 144. My next buy in is at what was it? 120, wasn't it? Yeah, 120. It beat on earnings. I'm happy with that. Anyway, Target, Walmart. Walmart's up. Target. We got Walmart. We got IonQ earnings tonight after hours. Right, here we go. It beat on earnings last quarter. Will it beat on earnings this time round? Binance, CZ Binance made a tweet about helping companies and the market pumped. Oh, I see. I'm paying no attention to those people at all. I expect Binance, Crypto.com, all of it, in my opinion, to go bust. The whole bloody lot. The whole shooting match. Out of interest, what is your rationale on Canoe? My rationale on Canoe is this: they are in the EV space, the last mile delivery, electric vehicles. They've got a great contract with Walmart. Walmart in this area where I'm in Dallas, Texas, they are getting those vehicles on the road. So I like Walmart. I like the deal with Walmart. I believe in the EV space. We've now got drone deliveries in this area. This is really taking off, right? It's not something I would buy a lot of, but when it goes down dramatically, I like it. They're a very small company. They've got some debt, but I like this space, and I'm happy to buy it at this price. And the fact they beat earnings as well. In the climate they're in. Not by a huge amount, if I'm honest, but I just got a feeling about it. I think it's a part of my portfolio. I'm lowering my average on it. Got a small position. It wouldn't make any difference to me if it went bust, but I don't think that's going to happen. That's just the general feeling how I feel about it right now. Arigato senpai for your input. Correction is needed. What do you mean? Arigato senpai for your input. Correction is needed. Oh, the correction is... All right, okay. Yes, a correction is needed, if that's what you're saying. I didn't know if you were saying I need to correct what I've just said. I wasn't quite sure what you meant then. Sorry. R1 RCM ticking along nicely, says Ian Jackson. I apologise if I didn't understand what you were saying. You've got to imagine some of these comments come out of sync and I've moved on to something else and I'm a bit confused what's going on. So I get confused sometimes. It's a live show and I answer everyone's questions. Right. Market correction in crypto. Yes. Yes, in my opinion, all these... Crypto itself is not a scam. Crypto itself, the technology is great. We don't need it. The world doesn't have to have crypto. If crypto went away tomorrow, I send money around the world all the time for free. It doesn't cost me anything. I have bank accounts in Europe, Norway, America, England. I have no problem. Thank you very much. It's freezing in here, babe. It's bloody freezing. Turn the bloody heating up. I'm bloody cold. What's going on? I don't need crypto. I don't need it. I can move money around. I can buy things for free. I don't pay interest on credit cards. I get cashback bonuses. I don't need it. What's the point? But I do believe it's a valuable part of my portfolio. It's 1% right now. It'll never be more than 5%. I do believe if you're going to buy Bitcoin, if you're going to buy crypto, Bitcoin or Ethereum is really all you need. Don't see why there should be 100 coins and there are thousands of coins, and there won't be soon. They'll all be gone soon anyway. It's the scammers behind it because people are greedy and selfish, and they saw people sat at home on their apps after COVID with money to spend, created lots of apps, everyone could buy stuff, and everybody thought they could get rich in 5 minutes, which is the worst thing. People with money and a bit of computer technology knowledge can tap into that greed and laziness, which is what it is, get rich in 5 minutes, and that's what got everyone to buy XRP. Shad likes XRP, and Ali Tisra likes XRP as well, and the world went mad, and then all those scammers got caught out, and it all went down the toilet, and it will continue to go down the toilet, and it won't really be anything great and solid and reliable until it gets legislation and regulation, and that's what it needs. And what's wrong with that? If you're a crook or a con man, you don't want regulation. But if you're just a regular person like me and you want to save your money for your retirement, but the other thing as well is why it's important saying with crypto, it's about making money, right? That's all this is all about. I can make more money on something else. It's not, what does it matter if I'm up 20%? If my money if I got $100 and I'm up 20% and now I've got $120, does it matter if I made it on Microsoft, Apple, Walmart, or Bitcoin? No, doesn't matter, does it? It makes no difference. So where is my money best placed? Where is my money most secure? Where do I understand it best? Where do I feel most relaxed? Where do I feel most secure? Well, 95% of my portfolio says other than crypto. That's it. Simple. It's not hard, really. People make money on what they understand. Sai, you're absolutely spot on. You make money on what you understand, because if you understand it, you buy it at the right time, you hold it, you don't have fear, you don't sell when the market goes down. It's like this morning. This is a perfect example, right? Perfect example, if I may use this as an example. We're in a bear market. We all know what a bear market is. If you don't, ask me and I'll tell you. We're in a bear market, have been for months. Everything's been selling off, and all of a sudden we had a CPI rate, a first CPI rate, that was great. The market's rallied. I was up 24%. Everyone said on Thursday, when I was up 21%, sell everything. I went, no. Friday, I went up another 3%. So whatever it was, 24%, whatever it was. Now we're down 3%. People are starting to go, oh, you should have sold. No, I'm fine. First of all, I'm taking into account that if I sell early, I'm going to pay a higher tax rate. I'm also taking into account where I see the stocks going ultimately, not just day to day, minute by minute. That's another thing. And I believe that the CPI, this is expected. People are selling off because they got profits. And nothing wrong with taking profits. Nobody ever went bankrupt taking profits. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I feel differently about my stocks, where they're going. Think everything is oversold now. Everything is beaten down. And I'm waiting for a much better return. So I'm holding right now. Virgin Orbit, Church of Logic. Yep, let's bring it on the screen. Church of Logic has just brought to my attention, up 0.64. It's up 13% now. I've only got 2 shares of it. I made my money at the top. I don't like how it trades. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's read some of these comments. I went in about 8 months ago, sided. Percent is a percent. Yep, absolutely. XRP. This is just come in from Ali Tisro. My prediction in the next 6 months, it'll be $2 a coin. I don't care if I buy 0.3, 0.5, 0.2. I am exactly the same. It's why this morning I bought Gove, knowing it was likely to go down. Because the upside is far greater than the downside. I am exactly the same. If I am buying, in fact, if I'm buying anything, if I'm buying Bitcoin, if I'm buying Microsoft, Tesla, whatever I am buying, for example, Meta, in my opinion, all they've got to do is what they did last week. They fired some people who made the company more efficient. They needed to do that. The stock rallied. All they need to do is say we're spending less on the metaverse. The stock will rally. I don't care if I buy it for 109, 110, 120, even 130, 80, 50. Doesn't matter, because I know the stock is worth $200, if not back to $250, $300. So it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, there will be people who buy it off me for $250, $300. So they think it's worth $300, or they will at one point, and they did in the past, and they will again. So as long as I am up, I'm not trying to be the richest man. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm not trying to beat anybody or anything. I'm just trying to buy great companies at great prices. And when they're on sale, I pick them up because my principles haven't changed. You can't buy XRP. People pumping it knowing you can't buy it. You can't buy XRP. What do you mean you can't buy XRP? They are delisted on most UX exchanges because of ongoing... Oh, I see. You can't... Let's have a look. Let me have a look. XRP. Let's have a look. Let's see if it's on Robinhood. XRP. XRP. Ripple. There you go. You can't buy it. No. XRP. You can't buy it on Robinhood. XRP... can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. So it's not available on my portfolio. Now, the only reason why I wouldn't buy it anywhere else is because you guys, for the integrity, honesty, transparency, openness of this channel, need to see all of my assets all in one place. Because if it's not, if I've got money tucked over the side somewhere else, my overall portfolio balance doesn't mean anything. You watch me because you see I'm up, I'm down, all of my money is here. You've seen me margin called, you've seen me get upset on the channel, you've seen it all. If I buy from elsewhere, even if it's a great idea, for me personally, it's not a good idea for this channel because you would not understand what I really have. This is all of my money. I've got no money in the bank. I am fully invested and over-invested, if you understand my meaning. Everything is fully in, and this is all of it. I've got no pension, no savings, but I do have no car loan, no mortgage, stuff like that. So it's all here for you on view. So that's why I don't buy it anywhere else, even if it is available. Never could get a coin. I wanted to buy it 2 years ago. You can probably use a swap to get it, Mr. Cossack said. There you go. Try Uphold or from your ledger. Talking of ledgers, by the way, here's my ledger. And I've never actually used this. I keep telling everybody about you taking your crypto offline. There you go. There's my ledger. I've never actually used it. I need to set it up because being responsible, as Ali Tisro made abundantly clear yesterday, my Bitcoin, which is $509, my Ethereum, which is nothing, it's $1, I sold it all, and my SV is $438. So I've got what, $1,000? That needs to be on my ledger because I am protected up to $250,000 on Robinhood for my equities, my stocks and shares and so on, but I'm not protected for crypto. And we just want to make sure that we put that to bed, don't we? So I'm not selling it, so I might as well just stick it on my wallet and leave it there. Cold storage. Anyway, the markets are coming back. I didn't sell anything. I bought the dips. Was I right? Was I wrong? I don't know. You tell me. Can't buy on Coinbase or Binance. Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, in my very humble opinion, I think they're all going bust. That's just my gut feeling. That's why it will pump when it wins. It will be relisted on all US exchanges. I have a ledger. There you go. You have a ledger too. All the best people do, Churchy. I have a Coinbase wallet. Is that safe? I wouldn't use it. I don't know. Who knows? The wallets are supposed to be external. If Coinbase goes down the toilet, that's a soft wallet though, right? That's an online wallet. So I would regard it as not as, if you've got a ledger, take it all off. Stick it on your ledger. Don't have any, I wouldn't have anything sat there. I mean, I'm saying that I haven't done it yet. I haven't got around to doing it myself, but I've got to do it. I've got to set it up. As soon as regulation comes in for crypto, you'll be protected. Yes, it needs to come in. Does Robinhood allow you to remove? Yes. Yes, it does. Robinhood allows me to remove it onto my wallet. Yes, it does, Shad. I've just never done it. And I actually, because I am a very important person, and I'm active on Robinhood. I was one of the first to get one of the wallets. I'm now testing another wallet for Robinhood. I'm in beta testing. IonQ earnings coming up. Just got a breaking news. So there are several wallets now available for Robinhood as well, and they're all in beta as well. But yes, you can remove it. I don't do this crypto too much. No, you're like me, Church. Just following the bandwagon, right? Following the bandwagon. There you are. And Ali Tisro's confirmed what I just said. Yeah, I should put my Jasmine on it. Yeah, I think you should do everything on it. Remember, not every coin can go on a wallet, though. You know, my ledger might say it doesn't accept certain coins. I'm just saying. I noticed that when I bought it. But it does accept the main stuff, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. Anyway, AMC was up nearly 13% and then crashed back down in space of 10 minutes. YP only 3% up. Stock was frozen for 10 minutes. Corruption, yeah. Get out of it. Get out of all that stuff. Coinbase wallet is fine, however. Ledger is 1,000 times better. Yeah. 1,000 times better. See? I'm in the right club. I'm in the 1,000 times better club. eTORO only allows a soft wallet, I think, and you can put it back into the exchange. Shad, this is correct. The Coinbase wallet is a separate app with different keys. I have two ledgers, one for receiving and one for sending to exchanges. Ooh. All right. That's interesting stuff. I know very little about it. I have my ledger. Look at this, folks. I want to share with you where we are right now. Look. I said this morning I'm not selling anything. And it's bouncing right back up again. I've managed to buy dips this morning. Let's have a look how Gove is doing for me. Right. I've got an order at 120. I just bought in at 144, and we're at 149 now. Plus, I bought when we were up here this morning. So we seem to be holding at 149. Doesn't mean to say I'm going to get excited and buy more. No, I'm going to, you all know my strategy. Once I buy here, I only ever pay here. Once I buy here, I only ever pay here. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Canoe is up, moving up now. And my last acquisition, my last purchase was at 144. So I went 327, 169, 144, 144, and I've got an order placed at 120. I was down, 56%? I'm now down 35%, and if it goes to 120, I'll buy, and that will drop to around about 20% down, and then it's bound to pop up again. I could be in the black very, very quickly on Gove. So that's how I'm doing that. Any news from Virgin Galactic? Yes, I got another report this morning of more hirings. The flights are on schedule. If not, some are being pulled forward ahead of schedule. So that's good. If you go in the chat right now and you want to get yourself a day trader mug, Martyn Lucas, there you go. Martyn Lucas mug. You can go and get yourself a mug. And if you are a silver member, and you want to buy something from my shop, just tell me what you want. Send me a message on Discord, and I will give you a discount as well. Silver members today, one day only. In fact, should I do it for everybody today? Yeah. Anybody who wants, it's coming up to Christmas, right? Anybody who wants to buy anything from my shop, from mugs to beer glasses to t-shirts to fleeces, want to get yourself a fleece for the winter time, a hat, phone case, anything you like. If you want to support the show, anyone, bronze, silver, gold, anybody who wants to buy anything today, send me a message on Discord and tell me what you want. You've been to the shop, and it's on the All Links page. But I'll give you the shop details right now. Well, you got the shops. The shops in the chat right now, isn't it? You got the shops in the chat right now. Anyways, below all the videos as well. I will send me a message, and I will send you a coupon code which will work just for today, and you can buy anything you want with a discount code. 10% discount? Does that sound good? Should I give everybody a 10% discount if anybody wants something for Christmas? All right, 1 day, yeah, 24-hour sale. Whoa! Look at me go now. Where is it coming from? Where are the upswings coming from? Let's go for the portfolio. We might turn green in a minute. I said it would be a green day. Let's have a look. The S&P is recovering. Virgin Galactic, there we go. Up another percent now. I'm up 12.5% on Virgin Galactic. After a great week last week, we're doing it again this week. Fantastic. This stock belongs at $10 a share. I need to put this out. Now, for those of you who don't know, I rank number 1 for the search term SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic. Some days you'll type it in and go, you're not, you're down. Sometimes I'm 2. But more often than not, I am number 1 on that. Let me have a look. Scroll down these comments. Seems like SOL is heading to 0. Lewis Martin... Ali Tisro, did Martin say that you have a Discord too? Yes. He has a channel on our... Ali Tisro has a channel on our Discord channel. It's Ali Tisro Tips. If you scroll down, you just said there are a lot of channels. Look, Ali Tisro Tips. Ali Tisro Tips. Look. Gets very technical. Oh my gosh. If you want to stress yourself out, go and look at that. That'll give you sleepless nights. If you go to Ali Tisro's channel, you'll have sleepless nights. That's all I'm going to say. Love the mugs. Thank you, Mike. If you want a mug or anything from the shop today for Christmas, socks for Christmas, ML socks, you can have anything you want today. I will give you a discount. If you send me a message in Discord, say I want to buy this, I will set up a discount code for it. All right. I see. Wow. Yeah. That's what you get, you see, as a member. See? And now you can message him whenever you like. You can phone him up middle of the night. It's part of the service. Did you realise that, Ali Tisro? Part of the service, 24 hours a day. Part of the service, Ali Tisro, is you answer the phone for me, doing tech calls on charts, right? I know you are a gold member and you pay to be a gold member, but you pay for the privilege of taking phone calls on my behalf, doing technical analysis at 3 o'clock in the morning for my members, all right? That is your responsibility, and you pay for that responsibility. You wouldn't be on this channel if you can't take a bit of sarcastic humour. All right, what do you think of Ethereum? Yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin, I'm buying it. But right now, to be honest with you, with the whole thing going down the toilet, the exchanges, not the coins themselves, I'm just buying Bitcoin. And I'm buying it every time it drops $1,000. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm out of it now. I'm only got $500, but I'm adding to it slowly. Anyway, that's my position. We've got 20 minutes to go because I got swimming this morning. Got to be out of here. We've got day trader of the day. We have to run a very quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date. Here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. Let's talk about it. Oh, I want to show everybody this. Very, very important. This is how some people missed out on winning money the other day. Look at this. If you look here, below the video, see it's live. It says it just there, look, it's grey. If you click on that live button, it turns red. Now I'm up to date. If you're not up to date, you're behind the stream. You're not getting the latest information. If we do a cash prize draw, you will lose because you're not claiming it quick enough. All right. So anyway, always make sure you're up to date. You can get behind if you lag with the internet or whatever. Anyway, 1 hour 41. 1 hour 41 SPCE. Right. Let's see this morning if we've gained any subscribers. We're going to talk about Virgin Galactic, if we can. Let's have a little look. Right, we get about 200 for the stream by the end of the show. It's 111, so it's going up. It's a short show today, though, because I've got water aerobics. So have a look. 5,436. No. Gain no subscribers during today's show. That's rubbish. What's going on? All right, let's go back to Virgin Galactic for a minute and have a little look where we are. Mostafa Shukar, firstly, please calm down. Secondly, of course, can easily go down 400. We got a Mustafa. Is the bottom in yet for Ethereum? Will it come down more? Oh yeah, it's got a long way to go. It'll come a long way down. Yeah. But you know, just brought 60% more space. Oh, hey. Very, very good. Very, very good. Let's have a little look. Let's make a video about it. Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. As you know, my favourite stock is Virgin Galactic. Why? Because I'm aiming to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I know that sounds funny, but I have a plan. And if you've not checked out the video of how I'm going to do it, click here. I'm trying to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I know it's billions of dollars, but you know what? I have a plan, and with your help, anything is possible. All the money I make from the video I just gave you up there, I'm spending on buying more and more shares of Virgin Galactic, and I'm holding. I'm hoping to sing the song on the plane, on the rocket as well. So look, today we had a great bounce last week, Virgin Galactic. It belongs at a very minimum of $10 a share. Smash the like button. If you're very first time here, please do go and subscribe as well. Give me a nice big subscription and ring the bell. so you get breaking news throughout the day. Virgin Galactic. Over the weekend, I've been getting a lot more information with Virgin Galactic. We do rank number 1 on the search term on SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic. So I know Virgin Galactic are paying attention to this channel, and I did get some information. First of all, the flights are not only on time, there might be a surprise down the line with slightly moving up forward. Very nice for the shareholders. There's rumours of buybacks of the shares, always good. But more importantly right now is the hirings. They are hiring. You can find the information on LinkedIn. I subscribe to their profile, and hirings and also hirings that are getting filled. So very important to say that the hirings are getting filled. So they're taking on staff, they're filling positions, and they're very interesting positions as well. And not only they're going to expand the fleet, get more and more rockets going up, more and more serving more customers. They're building out the experiences, which for me is why I invested in Virgin Galactic in the first place, not just for space tourism. It's the whole thing and the community that will be built around Virgin Galactic, the Virgin Galactic brand, Virgin brand period. People will fly into the airport in a Virgin on a Virgin Airlines. They will come from a Virgin cruise. They will go into a Virgin experience. They will fly into space. They will be part of a community of astronauts, and that's where I see the value. Not only that, Virgin Galactic, with their technology, their rockets could be used in the military purposes and other things as well. So Virgin Galactic for me is $100 a share in a couple of years' time. I will be trimming off the top responsibly, but my aim, as I said before, if you click up there, that'll take you to the live. That'll take you to the live events. I'm live all the time, up to 10 hours a day, investing and trading live. Come and join us. But very excited about Virgin Galactic. Shall I have a quick? Have we got Richard Branson on the line? We got Richard Branson on the line. Let me have a quick look. Have I got this one here? I've got the landing. There we go. This is the landing of Virgin Galactic. This is why it's so much better than Blue Origin. Blue Origin plumps you in a desert on a parachute, whereas first-class people who want to fly first class with Virgin Galactic want to land like this. Some people said to me, hang on a minute, I want to be like an astronaut, like a proper spaceman, and go up in a rocket. You do go up in a rocket. You just start the journey on a plane and then go up in a rocket, and then you land. You land like the old the shuttles. You come back down. Who wants to plump in the desert on a parachute? Rubbish. And then catch a bus ride back to the space station. Rubbish. You want Virgin Galactic. Also, it's a lot more environmentally friendly. It's also a lot cheaper and more affordable. Blue Origin is not the way forward, and neither is SpaceX. SpaceX is a completely different thing. SpaceX is for putting people on Mars, on the moon, and all the rest of it. It's not a space tourism company. If you want to look at Virgin Galactic like that, it needs to be efficient. And right now, at $450,000, that's cheap. If you're a billionaire or a millionaire, you regard that as a lifetime-changing experience, and the price will come down. It'll never be $50. It'll probably be $100,000. A lot of people can afford that. Remember, you are going into space. It's no short change. It's a serious thing you're going to do. It's a life experience, and I do see people getting married getting married in space, and the whole Virgin Galactic thing. People sending their ashes up there. I mean, God, you can imagine what's going to happen with this, and I hope to be on the flight. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up again today. My overall portfolio is just slightly in the red. In fact, it's just turning green right now after a week. Last Thursday and Friday, up 24%. Everyone said sell out. I didn't. I'm holding, and up we go. Look, live in the show as I'm making this video, Virgin Galactic is going up. If anyone subscribes to me during this show or gives me a super chat right now, your name will appear on the screen. This video is going out later, so if you want to get famous and you want to promote yourself and you love this video right now, if you give me a super chat right now, it'll appear on the screen, and it'll be on this video. Anyway, you're not wrong, Martin. Space has so much potential. That's a comment just coming in from Lewis Martin. There you go. Thank you, Lewis. Any more comments here? Stephen Lewandowski just said, love space. I have many shares. Can't wait to see the flights. There you go. What other comments have we got? What's the easiest trading platform to use in the UK? eTORO and Webull. Robinhood will be coming, but if you go on my all links button, which is below this video, but also it's I've just given you in the chat the all links button. You can get my free stocks there as well. Anyway. Virgin Galactic, another great day here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Join us back later on for the closing bell. And tomorrow we have got let me just have a look on my cheat. After hours tonight, IonQ earnings. Click up here for the IonQ earnings. You need a bit of quantum computers in space and EVs. And then tomorrow we've got pre-market, we've got Walmart. And then on the 16th, we've got Target. So if you want to join us for Walmart's, give it a couple of seconds, allow a bit of gap in the video, click just there, that'll take you to Walmart earnings. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail. Okay, there's the thumbnail, there's that. Just added SoFi, very, very good. Good time to buy. SoFi is going to be the future of banks. Let me go and show you what I mean. Very nice indeed. Ali, Siwa, I think trading 212 is better. Message me on Discord if you want a link. Have you got a referral link? Ali Tisro, are you taking my bloody referral money out of the bank? What's going on here? I haven't got 212, so you're very welcome. Anyway. The only one I recommend is the one I use, and that's why I use it, is Robinhood. And Robinhood eventually will come to the UK, and when it does, you'll all have the information, and I will give it to you. If anybody wants any of my referrals, if before Ali Tisro gets in there, he knows I'm joking. If anybody wants any one of my referrals, where I get free stocks if you get free stocks, here is my all links button. It's the same place where you sign up for the newsletter. There is the all links button. Okay. To answer your early question, Martin, in regards to my gaming channel, I don't even know how I fell into doing it, but it pays the bills. He pays the bills by playing games. That's a good life, isn't it? My stop loss. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's time for me to go. My stop loss got triggered at 8:35 last Friday. Got some profit. Mr. Clockwork, what was that for? 8:35. What did you sell at 8:35? What was that? What did you sell? Anyway, there's my overall portfolio. I've got to go. Virgin Galactic is still going up. Tilray, what's Tilray doing? Still up. And Gove, I'm waiting to buy it at 120. Anyway, we've got to do day trader of the day. I've got 8 minutes and I've got to be gone. All right? Okay, if you've just tuned in today, subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. There you go. Have you done that? Has everyone thumbed up the video this morning? If you've not thumbed up the video, we're not going to allow you back tomorrow. Okay? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick look. Has everyone thumbed up the video? Let's have a little look. There's 31 watching. That's it. Everyone's liked the video. 31 likes, 28 watching, 100%. There you go. Better than 100%. Right. Let's do day trader of the day because we've got to get out of here in just a couple of minutes' time. I'll be back for the closing bell and after hours IonQ. I've just realised I've got to do this now. Otherwise, it will not get done. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. IonQ, 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 IonQ. IonQ is right on cue. IonQ, earnings after hours. I've got to cover this quickly. And then get ready for day trader of the day. All right. Stocks turning green. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, here we go. There you go. Okay, I need to get this out very, very quickly. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. IonQ, quantum computers. You need it in EVs, you need it in space. It's the earnings tonight. Join us live here on Martyn Lucas Investor. If you click up here, that will take you to the live earnings. We'll be live. When it starts, I will be shush. I sit and listen. We share all the information on the screen, bring you the best quality and audio and visuals for IonQ. And then afterwards, we discuss it. Later on, you will then find the edited version appear on my channel. So if you only want to watch the actual edited highlights, then you can have that as well. So join us tonight, IonQ. It's one of my stocks I hold. I believe in quantum computers. It's great for EVs and all the space technology we have. It's Amazon's second biggest investment, or at least it was about 6 months ago when I purchased it. So IonQ, I'm holding. I'm set to buy more if it goes down on earnings, but this could be interesting. Click up there for the full live shows and join us tonight for the earnings for IonQ. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail for IonQ. Is that going to be a good one? Or should I do it that way around? There we go. Okay, there is the IonQ. What time did I put that in? Now day trader of the day. Put your scores on the screen. 154. 1 hour 54 IonQ. Okay, day trader of the day, please. Pay attention, pay attention. Go to the main portfolio. Am I up? Am I down? Down very slightly. Okay, here we go. Down 1.16. Let's see who wins. Everyone posting now. Good, good, good. I'll give you a 1 minute on the clock. Welcome all out to our new members. Good day today. New members. I love it. And 1 month away. Ali Tisro, go into the super chat and see if you can celebrate your super chat. It's free. It'll tell you what your date is. What is your date? If you click on it, it might give you a free super chat and celebrate how many months you've been a member. I think we're 1 month away now from the first badges turning gold. It'll be 1 year of membership. It starts next month. So go and check. Everyone, go and check your memberships. It will give you like a time that you've been a member. Anyway, it's free to do that. All right, it's a free super chat thing. Anyway, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Down 1.16. No. Boo. Up 1.5. Down 0.42. Up 2%. Portland Trailblazer goes into the lead. Up 1.8 from Ali Tisro. Mr. Clockwork is flat. He's out. Stephen Lewandowski is down. Churchy is down 0.72. Ian Jackson's 0.6 down. It looks like... Oh, R1. I've got some R1, as you know. It looks like the winner, whoever that was, up 2%. Who was it? Portland Trailblazer. Portland Trailblazer looks like our winner today. I think so. Let's go. Let's do it. Up 2%. Very good. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give them a big thumbs up and give them the sound effects. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Very good indeed. Shall we have a quick look at R1? Someone just pointed out that R1 is up. I've got some shares of R1 right at the bottom of my portfolio. Is it RCM? Yes, up 1.81. I'm up 17% now. 17% on... I need someone to say to me, play the sound effects. Yay, 5 months. There you go. There you go. Look, R1 RCM. I'm up today. I'm now up 17%. This was all about that bad debt. If they couldn't get that, I'm up 17% now. I've only got 10 shares. Very, very small position. But I will start thinking about selling that soon. Just a bit of fun. Anyway, that's it from me. Oh, the Queen is celebrating. Is up 3.27. She would have won today. Too late, Queen. You're behind the show. Double top RCM. What's going on? I sold. Mr. Clockwork, you sold. Double top RCM. You like all that, do you? I'm not really a believer in all that stuff. I'm going to set a stop trail loss. I don't see much point in selling it at that level at all. Let me just share with you on the screen. Look at it, look. Because of the bad debt, it got oversold, look, right? I'm not going to sell it because the double top. That doesn't speak to me at all. I got such a small position. I will set a stop trail loss once it goes up to like 25% with a 5% loss, and then it'll just go up from there, or it will sell. That's how I'm going to play it. Go Martin, go to the water. Right, need to go swimming. Okay, that's it. Roll the credits. Gosh, I'm trying to get everything done quick. Roll the credits, say goodbye. There you go. See you next time. There you go. Go swimming. There's rubbish. No one membered. No one subscribed. No one. That's the worst. That's the worst. Look at that. What a credit that is. No one became a member. In fact, people did become a member. Why didn't it show it? It's because you've not got public memberships. If you're not a public member, it doesn't show you. If you hide your memberships or whatever, that's how it works. Anyway, so that's rubbish. We've got all these new members and they don't get celebrated. Anyway, that's it. Take care of yourselves. See you in a bit. Back for the closing bell and then the IonQ after hours earnings. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves and each other.